Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're going to be working on the pistol ammo script and also the weapons script. So at this point I suggest you pause the video and open these two scripts, but also open up the pistol script as well. Now, even though we won't be changing anything in this script, it will be helpful so we can see how everything works. So with that said, let's come to the pistol ammo to start with. Now it's all complete apart from the GUI, so let's do that now. And we'll say if open and close brackets will open and close, we'll come inside and we'll say underscore display ammo collect GUI is equal to true. And let's get that into the comments. So we'll just say if display GUI is equal to true. Let's come inside and we're going to draw a GUI dot box, and I've gone through GUI plenty of times, but we'll go through it very quickly again. So new rect, let's open brackets, and it wants to be screen dot width divide by 2. We'll say minus ammo collect size X, comma screen dot height. You can use any value you like, but I'm going to say divide by 1.5 f, comma. So this is where we're positioning it on screen, and I've explained how this sort of thing works. We draw half the screen width plus half the GUI size, so it's plumb center. And let's come to the end here, and we're going to say the ammo collect size X by the ammo collect size Y. Don't forget the comma. We'll come to the end, we'll close brackets, we'll say comma, in speech marks, pick up, and question mark. We'll come to the end, we'll close brackets, and we'll close the line off. Now, you can say any message you like here, but just remember you may have to increase these sizes up here as we've defined them in order for the GUI box to be big enough to display whatever message you like. But that will do for me. And we'll break this up for commenting, and we'll comment it up. So here we'll say if display GUI is equal to true, we'll say then, and we'll just say create GUI box at this position X, next line at this position Y, next line by these dimensions, and finally the last line will say and print, and I'll just put what I've said in the little message there, so pick up question mark. So let's save that off. And now we'll come to the weapons script. Now, first thing we're going to do is deal with the pistol ammo temp reset, simply because it's just one line of code, underscore pistol ammo temp. We'll say equal 0, close the line off, into the comments, and we'll say reset pistol ammo temp to 0. And then we'll come to the pistol ammo function itself. So first line, pistol ammo temp. We're going to say plus and equals pistol ammo box. We'll close the line off into the comments, so we'll say pistol temp plus ammo box. We'll create a line break there. So let's come to the pistol ammo script. So we pick up a pistol ammo box with a value of 12 bullets. That is then passed here. So now the weapon script, this int, which we've named the same, has a value of 12. Now the pistol ammo temp will always reset to 0, but in this case we're now going to add that value to it. So pistol ammo temp now has a value of 12 just because of this line of code. And if you're struggling to follow along, please add as much in the comments as you like, but I'll try my best to go slow and explain it all. So we'll come to the next line. We'll say pistol, and this time we'll just say temp. And we're going to say it's going to be equal to a game object with a capital G dot find game object with tag, and we've done this quite a few times, but we're finding the player with the capital P dot, and we'll say get component, open and close brackets, inside we want pistol, open and close brackets again, and we'll close the line off. So let's enter twice there. So we now have another temp variable here, which is equal to the pistol script that we find on the player. So with that done, let's come here, and we're going to say temp dot add pistol ammo. We'll open and close brackets, we'll close the line off, and we'll say pistol ammo temp. So what we're now doing is we have this with a value of 12. We have a temporary variable that is equal to the pistol script. So this has a value of 12 now. This represents the pistol script. Here we're saying this temp equal to pistol script, add pistol ammo, and if you remember, it's this void here inside the pistol script. And then what we're going to do is pass in this variable, which, as I said, has a value of 12 as defined here, into here, and that is when we add it. So the temp is now added to the pistol inventory, which is this variable here. And we may move some of this code around when we actually come to do the inventory system, but I wanted something that could work on its own for now. So let's come back to the weapons script, and we'll come here, and then we'll say pistol ammo temp reset. We'll open and close brackets, and we'll close the line off, because now we've done everything that needs to be done. So we'll reset this back to 0 by calling this function. So let's get this all into the comments. So I'll enter here, just break that line up. So we'll say temp is equal to the pistol script, and we'll come here. In fact, let's just break up the comment here first. So we'll say temp is equal. We'll paste that into the pistol script. And we'll say then add, and how shall we word this? We'll say ammo temp to add pistol ammo function within the pistol script. Yeah, I think that will do. Feel free to word it any way you like. And let's come to this line here, and we'll just say call, and we're just calling this function. So let's just paste that in, pistol ammo temp reset, and we'll just say function at the end. So let's save that off there. And we are going to leave it here for this lesson. Now, I hope I've explained this well enough that you can now see how all these scripts tie together. But if you are struggling to understand exactly how things work, because I know it can seem a little daunting, especially if you're new to coding, the way all these tie in with one another back and forth, please always message me or leave a comment below, and I will always do my best to try and answer for you. So, as I said, I think we'll leave the video here. In the next lesson, we'll actually go through setting up the pistol game object in the scene. So, I will leave it here for now. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.